Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Doctrine of Loco Parentis. In doctrine of Loco Parentis, that is in emergency situations involving the children where consent of the parents is not available readily in time, then the person locally acting as parent can give consent in good faith. For example, child is in school or hostel or in a picnic, the teacher or the headmaster or warden can give consent, and this is legally valid. This is doctrine of loco parentis.
thank you and thank you for watching.